Hey, good evening, guys. I got my Real Appeal in the mail tonight. As some of you may know, it's a weight loss program. This one is sponsored through my health insurance through work. And after your third week of attending sessions, they send you like a welcome kit. So let's see what's inside, shall we? So first off, it's a bundle of books. Let's see what they are. I believe they're cookbooks and maybe an exercise book. Let's see here, that's garbage. Next, workout DVDs. There's quite a few in there. Next, it's an electronic food scale. That's pretty cool. I need one of those. More garbage. We got some resistant bands. A portion plate. It looks like this. Okay. And electronic foods. This is the bathroom scale, actually. So let's take a look, shall we? It's one of those nice ceramic glass ones. It does take batteries, so I'll have to get those put in. Okay. I've got the portion plate. So this is supposed to be vegetables and fruit. You got your grains and your proteins and your fat. So like oil on your vegetables or salad dressing, that kind of stuff. Some resistant bands. These are probably just an easy stretch on them. Okay. We have our food scale. It looks like this one's an electric one as well. Let's take a look. So it comes with a bowl. It's a lot of packaging. So this is what it looks like. Has a max of 500 grams. And the bowl, well, I thought it would fit around the top, but that's alright. It's very nice. Okay. And then we have our books. Let's open those up. Careful when you're using a knife. So this is just the welcome kit. You get a t-shirt if you do your before and after. First one is, the sessions. We have 16 sessions. So these are just the guides for those. There's 2 of them. One's a week through 1 through 8, and the one's 9 through 16. Here's the fitness guide. It's just like for beginners. It has a beginning walk, or if you want to start actually weightlifting and stuff like that. It has the walk it off workouts and stuff to get you started off when you're just beginning. And then it has a cookbook, and it does have some menus to get an idea of what you should be eating throughout the day. Like this one looks good. Strawberry and chocolate and peanut butter. Apple cheddar melt. Who likes cheese on their apple pie? That's a good question. Broiled shrimp. Yeah, boy. Some good stuff in here. Still have pasta, salads, good chicken Waldorf salad, turkey burger. Good stuff. Oh, white bean and spinach soup. That's some good stuff. Alright. Well, thank you for watching my video. Is there anybody else out there doing the Real Appeal? What week are you in? Have you lost any weight? Do you like what's happening? Do you like your sessions? My lady, her name is Valerie, and she's pretty awesome. So let me know if you like my video, and if you have any questions or comments about the Real Appeal, just leave them down below and subscribe to my videos. Thank you. Bye.